So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the Temu password. So first of all, open up the Temu app. Through here you can see at the bottom home categories your card. You can see a search bar at the top part of the page. Now through here I suggest you click on the U since you're going to be watching at some features of your account settings. Through here you can see orders, messages, review, as well as some other features underneath. I suggest you go to the top right and click on the gear icon. Through the gear icon, you can see account security, privacy, permissions, safety center, payment methods, country, region, language, currency, and so on. Through here, click on account security. Through the account security, you can see if your account is protected. You can see your linked mobile number, email, password, two-factor authentication, third-party accounts, sign-in activity, and some other features underneath. I suggest you click on the edit next to your password. Through here, you can see old password, so you can put in your old password in there so you can verify that you do own this account. After that, type out the new password in the next field and you'll see even the password quality underneath. Once you're done creating a new password, you can click on submit and that password will be changed. So your account no longer will need this old password to log in. You'll require to input the new password that you created. So that's about it. You can even start the forgot password process if you did forget it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.